In Ticket Tailor, open the Orders tab. Click Add New Order. Select the event you'd like to create an order for and click Buy Tickets. Add tickets to your cart and click Next. Complete the checkout form on behalf of your attendee. You can fill out as many or as few of the checkout form fields as you need to, or click Skip to Payment if you don't need any ticket buyer details. When you're done, click the green Next button. Click Operator Payment. Here you can add a transaction ID if you wish. Otherwise, click the Complete this order button to add the order to your event. You'll then be shown the final ticket information and a confirmation email will be sent to the address you entered in the checkout form.